Life is the greatest journey you will ever be on. To live is to keep moving. Stop chasing shadows. Just enjoy the ride. Who needs a house upon a hill when you can have one on four wheels? That you can take it anywhere the wind might blow. Home is where the dog runs to greet you, and home is where you park it.
Stay as long as they wanted, remain as much as they needed. The world flies around me with you. Won't you be mine forever? Stay here together, we can nurture each other, find out another way.